Do subscribe to Canvas Creation and press the bell icon to get the video notification and watch our latest videos. The subscription is absolutely free.
Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of Canvas Creation. In this video we are going to discuss that how to find trending topics on YouTube. Suppose you are a new YouTuber and you want to grow on YouTube, then you have to find some trending topics on YouTube or Google. Suppose if you find out trending topic and make videos on that particular topic, then there is a probability that your video will viral on YouTube and get early views and subscriber. So it is very important thing for new YouTuber to grow on YouTube. In this video we will also find trending topics under so many categories and country wise, so that the new YouTuber can easily find out these topics. So watch this entire video, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest video notification. So without wasting a time, let's begin. So let's see friends how to do that. First of all, you require to open your browser and go to Google and search for Google Trends. So just type here Google Trends and search for it. Now you require to click on the first option, the Google Trend. So just click on that. So friends, as you can see, it is the official website of Google Trends and it is the simple interface of the Google Trend, and in this page you require to click on the three horizontal line you can see on the top hand side, and just click on that and select the trending searches. So click on trending searches. So friends, it is a Google trending searches and the United States is by default selected, as you can see, but you can change your country as per your suitability. So I will select the United States. In this page we have two options. The first one is daily search trend, in which you will get the topics related to daily searches, and in real-time search you will get the real-time topics of trending. So friends, in a real-time search we have so many trending topics of past 24 hours, as you can see. So many topics is here, and you can select your category. So we have so many categories here like business, entertainment, health, sci-tech, sports. So just you have to select one of these. So I will select the tech. Okay. So friends, as you can see here we have so many trending topics under the category of science and tech. As you can see, the NASA Insight Mars landing, Cyber Monday, Amazon Kindle, Opportunity Mars, etc, etc, iPhone, Apple, AirPods. Okay. So friends, suppose you want to make a video or blog post on one of these trending topics. So suppose let's take an example of this 11 number Logitech computer mouse. So suppose you want to collect some information about this trending topic. So for that purpose, just click on that. Once you click on that particular topic, you will get the graph showing the search history, and you will also get article which is extremely important to collect the information about this trending topic. So suppose this is the article, you require to click on that particular article. So it is an article related to the Logitech Fantastic mouse, and you will get some important information here. On the basis of that, you can make videos and blog posts. So there is a probability that your topic will go to the trending searches on YouTube. So friends, it was a video about how to find the trending topics to make the YouTube videos and grow on YouTube. So I hope guys you got some knowledge from this video. Then do like and share to this video, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So thank you friends, bye bye, and see you in next video.